Hey guys, check this out. I got my first little critter of the morning. It's a scorpion. That is a nice one. Pretty decent sized adult. Please don't bite me. Don't bite me. It's fairly dark out. Got the sun coming up over there. So we'll see what I find today. Hey guys, it's 5 a.m. Look at this one. I have a rattlesnake in its den. You see his back tail sticking out. Oh, he heard me. Dig him out. He's too far in there, so we're gonna move on and see if we find anything else. Well, that was the tail end of him. That looked like a gray speckled rattlesnake, but he's too far in there, and he's gonna scoot right in there if I go to up there close enough. So we're just gonna let him lie there, and maybe he'll find some breakfast before the sun comes up. Got a tarantula. Hey guys, got my second rattlesnake of the morning. And this is cool because it's a Mojave, and I've hardly seen any Mojaves up here, but this guy is awesome. He is a beautiful green color, olive green. Look at him. Let me see if I get a little light on him, see if that looks better. Look at how cool that snake is. That's a little Mojave. He's probably about 20 inches long. Wow. He's got a little tiny head. His head is about as big as my thumb. Check out his tail. Awesome. What a beautiful, beautiful animal. Look at that tail. What a beautiful pattern. Look at that thing. So cool. Those white scales are so bright. And he has very toxic venom. Oh, his venom is just so nasty. Gotta be very careful with these guys. Nice. Check this out. I hope this works again, but I'm able to give him a little bit of water. He's drinking water as I drip it on his head. Look at him drink. Isn't that cool? That is the coolest thing. Get a good drink, guy. We're really trying to hold the camera steady while I do that. It's very hard. Ooh, I hope that turns out all right. But I'm gonna stand here trying to give him a little more water, but I just can't film and do this at the same time. And anyway, I'll give him a little bit more water, and then I'll move on and see if I can find anything else. Check this out. He's decided he's had enough, and he is gonna give me the recoil scare. He doesn't want me getting any closer, but he is a little guy. Wow, what a beautiful little animal. Well, I'm gonna leave him there. He's had a lot of water, so we'll see if I can find anything else. Hey guys, moving right along here, and I got a question. I found something I've never found before. This is a ringneck snake, except he's got no ring on his neck. I don't know if this is something else, but I'm pretty sure this is a ring neck. Anyway, check him out. He's got no ring. I've never seen that before, but check him out. He's got definitely the classic telltales of a ring neck. He is all gray. He's got a beautiful red tail underbelly, and his underbelly turns yellow and orange, but he's got no ring. They usually have like a dark stripe right at the base of their head that goes across the top. But that's just bizarre. He's got no ring. Little tiny snake. Uh-oh. Yeah, but check this out. I don't get it. Just really bizarre little guy. Look at him drink. Look at him drink that water. Isn't that the coolest thing ever? I'm gonna let him sit in there till he's done drinking. That is so cool. He's so little. Look at him drink. Well, after torturing him, well, I think he's done. After torturing him for that much, at least I could give him a drink. Let's let him go. Very cool. Hey guys, I think that's about it. I think I'm gonna see all I'm gonna see today. It's getting a little windy, but if anybody in the comments can tell me about that ring neck that I found that had no ring on it. I've never seen one like that before. Maybe it was a juvenile. I'm not quite sure. Never seen it. And in the 4 years of me coming to this trail, I've never seen a ringneck snake in 4 years. So I didn't think they existed out here. I thought this environment was too harsh and they need more grasslands. But let me know in the comments. And I think tomorrow I'm not going to do this because it's just too hard. It's too hot. It's 112 degrees today. And I think tomorrow night I'm going to cruise the Mojave for some road cruising. And stay tuned to see what I find tomorrow night. Anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you later.